Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. Thanks for joining me. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. To prime my eyes, I'm gonna use the Juvia's Place Concealer in 16 and set it with the ABA setting powder in Deep Peach. Also, if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please make sure that you do so. Please make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos, as well as comment and share, because I really appreciate that. Next, I'm using the Card Beauty Sagittarius eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take those two shades and mix those together and put those in my crease. Now I'm going into that palette again, and I'm going to take that shimmery shade and put that all over my eyelids. For lashes, I'm using the Ioni Fluffy Crisscross Medium Natural Lashes, and I'm also going to use the House of Lashes Eyelash Glue. Moving on to my face, I'm going to use the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Next, I'm using the Everyday Humans Rose From Above Mineral Sunscreen. For primer, I'm using the Touch and Sol No Pore Blend Primer. To correct the dark spots on my face and neck, I'm using the e.l.f. Orange Camo Color Corrector. For some more coverage, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut, and I'm just putting this the same places where I put the orange corrector at. Now I'm using the ABA setting powder again to set where I have the orange corrector and that concealer at. For foundation, I'm using the Uma by Sharon C Skin Perfecting Foundation in Bronze Venus T5. To highlight, I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Praline. I'm just putting this all the places where the light would naturally hit my face. While that's sitting, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Bronzer Palette in Dark, and I'm going to take the top shade to contour my nose and go around my jawline since it's lighter, and I'm going to use the other shade to bronze the other parts of my face. Next, I'm using the setting powder to set where I have that concealer at. For my all over face powder, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation in the shade 440. For blush, I'm using the Juvia's Place Blushed Duo Blush. This is the Volume 4 palette. I'm going to take that top shade and use that. To highlight, I'm using the ABH highlighter in Peach Fizz. For lips, I'm using the Juvia's Place Lip Liner in Brownie and the Morphe Good Talk Blotted Matte Lipstick in Pink Pucker. To set my face, I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And that is it for this makeup tutorial. Hope you all enjoyed this soft shimmer glam makeup look that I did. If you're not subscribed, please make sure that you do so. Please make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please make sure to click the like button on my shorts and videos as well as comment, because I would really appreciate that. Everything I use will be listed in the description box as well as on my social media handles. And if you have any suggestions for makeup looks, please let me know so that I can do them. Thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. I'll see all of you in the next one, and make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.